Hi guys, this is Marek. So this is a revised version of my bed damper. I have installed one already, but I'm concerned that in some specific cases it may cause different effect and not damper the vibrations. So I have designed a new version which should address all of these issues and also be more filament friendly. So this version is taking a lot less time to print. It should provide even better results and more consistent. So we'll see how it goes. But here you can see also the speed at which I'm printing right now. So the infill is set to 1750 accelerations. Many of the other are set to 1000. Some are set to, let me check, some are set to 1250. Some are set, like the inner walls are set to 1500s, and you can see how quiet and fast it is really to me. So again, I will give it a try and post it at latest tomorrow. See you. Happy printing.